In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deduplicate your HubSpot contacts and companies. This app is truly amazing and will help bring more order and efficiency to how you manage your data. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the trial guide on the HubSpot platform. This will act as your starting point for managing your contacts and companies effectively. The trial guide is where you can explore various tools and features, so be sure you're navigating to the right guide for Sales Hub professionals. Once you're in the trial guide, click on the Contacts section. This is your hub for accessing all your stored contact information. Being organized with your contacts is crucial for any business, as it helps maintain relationships with customers and clients without any duplication. Now that you are in the contacts, go ahead and click on a contact named Brian Halligan. This is a sample contact, but it helps to illustrate the process. Opening a contact allows you to see all the details associated with that particular individual, which is valuable for deduplication. Next up, look for and click on the Actions button. This button gives you a drop-down menu containing different actions you can perform for a contact. From this menu, you'll have the ability to manage various aspects of the contact's details. From this Actions menu, select the Clone option. Cloning is a critical step for deduplication because it lets you create an exact copy of the existing contact information, ensuring no detail is lost in the process. After handling the contact, it's time to look at your companies. Click on the Companies section. Just like with contacts, managing your companies without duplication ensures your data remains accurate and useful for strategic decision-making. Click on HubSpot. In this context, HubSpot represents one of the companies linked to your contacts. Delving into a company profile allows you to manage organizational details, which is crucial for businesses with multiple associated companies. Access the Actions dropdown one more time, and from here choose Clone. Cloning within the Companies section helps you maintain a comprehensive and precise database by ensuring that the details of each entity remain unspoiled as you work. And there you have it, a seamless way to deduplicate both your contacts and your companies in HubSpot. This fantastic app lets you maintain cleaner, more efficient data management, aligning with your business's growth strategies. Remember, keeping your information organized avoids the hassle of errors and duplication, making your operations smoother and more effective. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your HubSpot experience even better.